Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the advanced fill options. Let's get started. Let's start with a number, say 10. When I drag it down, I'll get all the numbers as 10. Now if I want increments of 10 in each cell, like 10, 20, 30, the first step is to type 20 after 10. So I'll select these two numbers, then choose to replicate them. To achieve this, place your cursor at the bottom right corner like this. Then drag downwards. This action will generate a series of numbers at intervals of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Likewise, for months, if I select Jan and drag downward, Excel automatically fills in all the months of the year. These functionalities are built into Microsoft Office. If I start with Monday and drag downward, it populates the days of the week. However, when I type a country like Japan and drag down, it only repeats Japan. To access a comprehensive list of countries predefined by Excel, or to create your custom list, you'll use the Custom List feature. To create your custom list, navigate to File, then Options, followed by Advanced, and scroll down until you find Edit Custom List. Here, you can add your own set of values such as countries, like Japan, Korea, Taiwan, China, Dubai, and India. Once added, click OK. Now if you type Japan and drag down, you'll see the list of countries you've defined. The advance of custom lists is evident in scenarios like managing employees' names. By creating a custom list of employee names, you can quickly populate this information. Furthermore, these lists remain accessible in Excel even when you open a new workbook, ensuring their repeated use. Lastly, I'll demonstrate the shortcuts for filling data. For instance, if you only want Jan at the bottom without the entire list of months, simply select the first cell, choose the blank cells below it, and press Ctrl D for a downward fill. Similarly, Ctrl R fills to the right. These shortcuts expedite the process, but if you forget, you can access the same functionality through the Fill options in the Home tab. This concludes our exploration of advanced fill options in Excel. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.